Welcome to Bonds News, your global window into current affairs. In a concerning development, Taiwan's Ministry of National Defense has reported a significant escalation in Chinese military activity near its territorial waters. According to official surveillance data, a substantial contingent of Chinese military assets was observed operating in close proximity to Taiwan, raising tensions in the region. Reports indicate that a total of 21 Chinese military aircraft, including various types such as fighter jets and reconnaissance planes, were detected conducting maneuvers near Taiwan's airspace. This marked a notable increase in aerial activity compared to previous instances, underscoring China's growing assertiveness in the region. In addition to the airborne presence, Taiwan's surveillance systems also identified a considerable maritime buildup by China. A fleet comprising 11 naval vessels, along with 4 Coast Guard ships, was spotted operating in the waters surrounding Taiwan. This coordinated deployment of naval assets further amplifies concerns over China's intentions and its approach toward Taiwan. The heightened military activity comes amid long-standing tensions between Beijing and Taipei, with China consistently asserting its claim of sovereignty over Taiwan. The self-governing island, meanwhile, maintains its independence and democratic governance, a stance that China vehemently opposes. The latest developments have triggered alarm bells among regional stakeholders and international observers, who fear a potential escalation in hostilities. The United States, a key ally of Taiwan, has expressed its support for the island's security and sovereignty, warning against any unilateral attempts to alter the status quo. Taiwan, for its part, remains vigilant in the face of heightened Chinese military posturing. The Ministry of National Defense has reiterated its commitment to defending Taiwan's territory and safeguarding the interests of its people. Continuous monitoring and strategic responses are being implemented to ensure the island's security in the midst of escalating tensions. As the situation unfolds, diplomatic efforts are underway to de-escalate tensions and promote stability in the region. However, the persistence of provocative actions by China underscores the complex and volatile nature of the Taiwan Strait issue, with potential ramifications for regional security and global stability. Thank you for choosing BGN channel. Stay tuned, like and subscribe.